Welcome to the eNews for St. Richard's Episcopal Church in Winter Park, Florida. I'm Dale Truscott, interim priest in charge until the return of our rector, Allison Harity, from her sabbatical on September 1st. And speaking of September 1st, there will be a big celebration after the 10:30 service for families and kids of all ages, including us older kids. There will be a water slide, good food, and much more. Watch for an announcement in this eNews and in the bulletins. Perhaps you have noticed excavation and removal of sod in parts of our lawns. Town's Landscaping is completing a project to divert rainwater runoff and other water away from the buildings and into the ditch behind our property or into low spots created in the yards. We're also in the process of installing water seal barriers that can be placed at the bottom of the doors in the office classroom building. These are about 1 foot high when installed. Warren Carlson has also succeeded in kind of prodding the Seminole County maintenance people who have now promised to be out hopefully this week to clear the ditch that runs behind our property so that runoff there will be more efficient and safer. So we look forward to that too. We are sorry to announce that Valencia Buchanan, the wife of a former rector of this parish from many years ago, passed into the church triumphant on Tuesday afternoon at the age of 95. Services and interment in our memorial garden will be held by Allison Harity at a later date to be announced. It is August, it is late summer, and it's beastly hot, and our schedule is rather quiet. But we are at worship at 8 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. every Sunday, no matter what month, no matter the outside temperatures. I invite you to show yourself that worship attendance does not need to dwindle in the summertime. Join us at worship this Sunday. We'll be happy for you to be here. And when you do, also come to the parish hall at 9:30 a.m. and meet another one of our volunteer priests who will tell their life story and what has brought them to St. Richard's. There is coffee and donuts. And may God bless us, everyone, and may this dangerous heat abate a bit.